Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 29th of July, 2023. Here to talk about Litecoin real quick because our price target was hit into the market in Litecoin ever since we did this price prediction on July the 8th. Did an update video for you all on the 23rd of July saying that I wasn't going to change my idea. This is where Litecoin was trading at that particular moment in time. And here it is the next day on the 24th. Price in Litecoin hit our target. Congratulations, 10% there. Now what's next? We can tell that the current trend into the market in Litecoin is one of lower prices. We can see that. Are we still going to see price go down though? Here is Litecoin here on the 2-day time frame. Take a look at Litecoin on the 3. Take a look at Litecoin on the 5. Take a look at Litecoin on the weekly. And I want you all to tell me, what do you think? Bullish or bearish? Here it is on the 2 weeks. Here's Litecoin on the 3 weeks. To me, I don't think there's anything here into the market in Litecoin. I think price is going to continue to trade in between our two lines right here for the time being. Look at this on 330-minute chart. You guys can see that there is some strength coming in on 330-minute bars, but currently nothing to get too excited about. Okay. You guys can see here on a 7-hour chart that this is where the seller's currently is hitting the market in Litecoin. Okay, so let me zoom in so you all can see that there. Doesn't look too bad though, but I really don't see anything into the market that would substantiate that price in Litecoin is about to go down substantially lower, or that market is about to go substantially higher. Okay, now looking at this on the 15-hour chart, I just moved that line and I want to show you how price was keeping in trend with the downtrend on this 15-hour price bar, then again on this one, and then again on this one, right? But now the market in Litecoin is breaking it, so we're not trending down anymore. Okay, so maybe you can do this into the market in Litecoin to follow the next trend. Okay, so we could follow that right there from a hourly basis, but from a wider time frame, this market in Litecoin is just massively just bouncing in between, what is that, like 103, 102, all the way back down to 70. Okay, so when you get a market that is kind of trending like this, that is just trading sideways, you always want to make sure if there's any market that is making lower highs or higher lows, right? So you guys can see here that here's some lows into the market in Litecoin, right? Do you think the market is making higher lows? Because if we connect it, you kind of can say that if price doesn't come all the way back down to 80, market needs to go higher from where it is right now in order for Litecoin to make higher lows. If it's not making higher lows, then maybe it's making lower highs. Well, let's take a look at that. Okay, here's a high. There's a high, and here's another high. Well, it's not making lower highs neither. So to me, given that that's been the case on both sides, on the lows and the highs, I suspect that price in Litecoin is going to continue to trade within the trading channel. Just that simple, right? So let me go ahead and extend this over a little bit. I'm not going to drop a price prediction today for the market in Litecoin. One thing I don't like when I look at this on a 3-day chart, if I was trying to be a buyer at this particular moment, it would be for price. I would want to see price trade above 95 bucks, right? And for us to see the market below that kind of lets me know that this market is not extremely bullish yet. So that's what I'm thinking price is going to do now, is merely continue to consolidate within these two lines. And that would be my analysis. If I get anything different, if I see a market become way more bullish than what we're getting currently on the weekly chart, then I would definitely come in and expect price to continue to trend up. But as of right now, there's nothing here for us to trade. So we got to go somewhere else to find a play. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.